Hello, you're welcome to my channel. How are you doing? You might be wondering, I'm seeing this face for the first time. Yes, actually, it's true. You're seeing this face for the first time. Why? Because I'm in the YouTube environment for the first time. And what you're going to do to me, for me to welcome me, what you're going to do for me to welcome me as a newcomer in this environment is to what? Hit the like button, turn on your notification bell, subscribe to my channel so that whenever my video drop, you'll be the first to get the notification. You'll be the first to what to know. So you might be wondering, why am I here? 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 I'm here because of those that are starting programming from the scratch. If you're a beginner in the programming language word, if you're a beginner in programming, if you're computer science student starting from the scratch, or you're the type that want to learn coding as a skill, I'm here to help you. So you can subscribe, you can hit the subscribe button so that whenever I drop video, you'll be the first to know. So if you're new in the world of programming, if you're new to coding, I'm here to help you. Why? Because I've been there before. I have been there before. It's not an easy road. It's not easy at all. To start from the scratch, it's not easy. It's very confusing, I tell you. Because when I started, I was looking into so many videos. Some are telling me what programming is, some are telling me what Python is, some are talking about CC++, some are talking about JavaScript. So it was all over the place for me, and I don't know what to do or where to start. I don't even know the one that is from the beginning. I don't even know the one that is first. I don't know whether Java is first or programming language that itself is first. I don't know. I was confused. That's why I'm here for you. So if you are in that position right now, please, I want you to subscribe because you're going to learn a lot from this video. So like I said, are you new in all these things? That's why I'm here for you. In this class, you're going to what? Know what programming is, know the uses of programming. You're going to know um what are involved in coding and so many other things. So coding generally is, if you bring your head down to it, if you pay attention to it, you're going to what? Gain, even with a very short period of time. You're going to know exactly how to code, to solve problem, to create what? A project and so on, with patience and perseverance. Because when I started, like I said, it's not easy. It's not easy at all. That's what brought me back to YouTube, because I've been there before, so I can relate how it is to start from the stretch. Because it's not easy. Like, it's not easy at all. That's why I'm here. I think somebody have to be here to guide the beginners, and that's why I am here, so that you can gain the necessary knowledge. Where can you start from? Where exactly can you start this programming from? You can start from the word programming itself, not from Python, not from Java, not from CC++. No, what exactly is this programming you are going into? What exactly is it used for? What is programming used for? What is programming language? What is coding itself that you want to code? That skill you want to gain, what exactly do you understand? Right, that's why I'm here. So, like I say, at the end of this video, you're going to what? Please listen carefully. Yeah, I want you to listen first, because at the end of this video, you're going to what? Know what programming is, know what programming language is, what is coding, the differences, what they are used for, and at the end, I'm going to what? Give you questions. Yes. It might be new to you because I don't think people are asking questions in this YouTube environment. Why? Because maybe they think nobody will want to what? Spend time to be answering questions. Yes, you really need it. You need to answer questions to make me to be sure that somebody is listening to me, somebody is gaining something. So pay careful attention to this video so that at the end you can what? Drop your question, your answer, correct answer in the comment section. You can drop your correct answer in the section. So please pay careful attention to this video. You're going to learn. Okay, what do you understand by programming? And at the end of this lesson, what you're going to gain is you will know the meaning of programming, the programming language, and Python as one of the programming language. So let's dive in. What is programming? What is programming? You have been hearing of programming, programming, programming. What exactly is this programming? What is coding? What exactly do you understand by coding? These are the things you're going to get from this video. What are the programming language? You have been hearing of this thing. Programming, coding, programming language. What are the differences? What exactly is programming? So that's exactly what I'm here to bring to your understanding. The meaning of programming, what is coding, and what are the what programming language. So let's dive in. What is programming? Programming is the process of writing instruction that tells a computer what to do. The process of writing instructions that tells a computer what to do. Please listen very well and note this so that maybe when you're walking along the road and someone stop you to ask you, what do you understand by programming? What exactly do you understand by programming? You so that you can be able to what explain to the person, tell the person exactly what programming is as a programmer. So programming is the process of writing instructions that tell a computer what to do. At the end of this video, you're going to what answer some questions. This is not a joke. You're going to answer some question because when you're in my class, you'll be able to what to know exactly what I'm trying to pass to you. I want you to gain that knowledge. Let it be part of you. And in order to do so, you have to what answer questions. Questions that will prove that actually you follow what I'm teaching exactly. So let's dive in. Now that we know the meaning of a programming, so we can now go on. What is coding? Now, what is coding? Back from the programming language that we define as programming is the process of writing instructions that tell a computer what to do. That instruction, these instructions are called code. These instructions are called code. So coding is the process of writing what instructions you're writing the instruction you're passing to the computer is called code. Say these instructions are called what? Code. The process whereby you're writing it is what is called coding. So say what these instructions are called code and they are written in programming language Java, such as Python, Java, C++, or JavaScript. So now you can gain the understanding that programming language are what? Python, Java, C++, or JavaScript. I'll stop you today and ask you what are the programming language. You can be able to give at least one or two from now. Programming language are what? Python. These are the tools we use to what? To give instructions to the computers. You can give instruction to the computer to the use of Python, Java, C++, or JavaScript. So now that we know we understand the meaning of code and coding, we can what and also what programming language, we can proceed. So examples, what are the examples? What are the example? For example, a simple program in Python can display a message. Okay, a simple program in Python can display a message. Now we are using Python. Why? Because it's beginner friendly. And is the most commonly used and is beginner friendly. So I think by now you are used to the word Python. So we are coming to that. For example, a simple program in Python can display a message. Print hello world. Print hello world. When you run this program, the computer prints hello world. Print, then you put a quote. It can either be double quotes or a single quote. Using print to what? To tell the computer to print to bring out this word. to write out this word, hello world. When you run this program, the computer what prints hello world. We are going to go in details about that later, but now I want us to know just the basics, just the simple basics, the theory aspect of all these things before we can enter the real coding aspect. I want you to enter the simple basic theories. So now we know the example, we can move on to the uses. What are all these things used for? What are they used for? What is programming used for? You have been hearing of this programming. What exactly is it used for? Programming is used to create many kinds of software. They are used to create many what kinds of software, including mobile apps. Yes, these mobile apps you are seeing that people are using, it is what created by what programming, by a programming software. So also we see websites. Yes, website that people are using for businesses, they are what? All for programming. They are all created with the use of programming. Video games, artificial intelligence systems, business software, scientific and data analysis tools. These are the what? The uses. Programming is used to create many kinds of software like all those things, mobile apps, website, video games, artificial intelligence system, business software, scientific and data analysis. Now that we know the uses, we can move on to the next one. What are the process involved? What are you to consider? What are the process involved? The basic programming process usually involves understanding the problem you want to solve. You know, generally, programming is all about solving a particular problem. Generally, that's the use of programming, solving a particular problem. So the basic programming process usually involves one, understanding the problem you want to solve. First, understand exactly what the problem is that you want to solve. Design a solution by breaking it into smaller steps. Design a solution by breaking it into what? Smaller steps. Write code in a programming language. Writing code in a programming what? Language. Testing and debugging to fix errors. Maintaining and improving the program over time. Maintaining and improving the program over time. So when you start coding, when you start solving problem, when you start programming fully, these are the what things involved. These are the things you need to know. Understand the problem first that you want to solve. Design a solution by breaking it into smaller steps. Write code in a programming language. Testing and debugging to fix errors. Maintaining and improving the program over time. So these are what the process involved. So we move ahead towards um beginners. If you're new to, like I say from the start, if you are new in the world of programming, either you are a computer science, or either you're new in computer science, you're a new student in computer science, or you just want to learn coding as a skill. If you are new or you're just beginning, you're just starting from the scratch. If you're new to programming, Python is often a good first language because its syntax is relatively simple and it's used in web development, automation, data analysis and AI. So Python is one of the I can see that, let me just say, is the best to use as a beginner in the world of programming. It's user friendly and you can use it almost for everything in the world of programming. So as a beginner, I urge you to go for what Python, learn Python language first before you can what progress to another one, because that one is very simple to use. So and that will bring us to what Python itself. What is Python? What are the uses of Python? And that is going to what be in our next class. Please do well by subscribing. Subscribe to my channel so that when I drop that, you can what you be the first to what to know turn on your notification bell, subscribe, comment. Please, I'm going, like I said, I'm going to what, give you question. I'm going to write out questions for you. I'm going to ask you questions and you're going to answer me so that I will be sure that what I'm passing is not just going away, it's not just passing like nothing happened. At least it's germinating, it's yielding in your life. So I'm going to what, ask you questions and I want you to drop those answers in the comment section. Help me to know that yes, you are following, that I have someone that I'm talking to, there's someone that is listening to me by what, dropping your what, answer, either wrong answer or correct answer. It should be correct because I know you're listening, you're hearing, you hear me from the beginning to the end. So please, our next class is going to be what, be Python. What is Python? What are the uses of Python? What are the what are Pythons used for? So we are going to do that in our next class. Thank you. Let's go straight to my question. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do so, please honor me by what, hitting the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I drop video, you'll be the first to what, to get it. Like I said, I'm going to give you a question, right? Please, it's time for the question. Grab your pen. Please drop the correct answer in in the comment section. Even if you don't know it, fine. It's fine. You can go back to the video, watch it, and what, drop your answer for me. So, question one. Question one. Are you ready for me? Question one. What are programming? Or what is programming? Yeah, I think that's the right way to put it. What is programming? What do you understand by programming? Please write your answer in the comment section. What is programming? Because my next video, I'm going to review it and I'm going to call out the person that gave the best answer to it. I'm going to call that person and to be appreciated for listening carefully and giving the correct answer. So back to question one again. What what is programming? Question one. What is programming? What is programming? Write your answer in the comment section. Number two, question two. Question two. What are the programming language? What are the programming language? What are the programming language? If you cannot list all of them, you can just give me one out of it. Fine. You have tried, at least you get something. What are the programming languages? So, question three. What is coding or code? What do you understand by coding? You can use your what, your own language. You can use your own language to define it, to tell me what coding is. What do you understand by what, coding or code? Question what, four. What question? What number are we now? We are in number four. Okay. Question four. Which one of the programming language is beginner friendly? I said that towards the end of that lesson. So which one of the programming language is beginner friendly that I said? So write it. Give me the correct answer. Number what? Five. What are the uses of programming language? What what is programming language? What is it? What are they used for? What is it used for? What is the uses of what, programming language? What are the uses of programming language? Whichever way it is. So, what are the uses of what, programming language? List them or give me the one you know or you remember, or go back to the video and watch it. Question six. What are the things to consider or involved when programming? When you're programming, what are the things to consider? What are the things to take note of? What are the things to know, to bear at the back of your mind when you want to program? What exactly are the things to consider? So I list them. I list them. I list them. So give me the correct answer. Because in my next video, I'm going to call out those that give me the best answer, that give me the correct answer. And I want you to be one of them. Yes, you that is watching me. I want you to be one of them. So with this, I've come to the conclusion of this class. I've come to the conclusion of this class. And I'm wishing you all the best because my next video is going to come out next week, Tuesday. My next video I'll post my next video next week, Tuesday. So I want you to turn on your notification bell. I want your notification bell. Um and that next video I'm going to talk broadly about what Python. If you're interested, please come back. Look for me. Just look for me. I'll be there. Thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for everything. I really appreciate you. Thank you for your warm hospitality. You too. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to be here for you and for myself. So, congratulations to all of us because together we are going to win. Have a nice day. Mwah.